PC building simulator. Have you guys seen this? Have you heard about this? I've never actually played one of these simulator games, but I was intrigued when I saw this. Would having actual PC building experience translate to the game and vice versa? Can you actually learn to build a PC with PC Building Simulator? To find out, we've got me, an experienced PC builder, and we've got a control group. Dennis, who will win? We're not sure because there aren't really any rules in this challenge. Thanks to VideoBlocks for sponsoring today's video. They're an awesome subscription-based resource for downloading stock footage, video, and more. Stay tuned for an awesome offer from them later on. Do you know how this works?
No, it looks real.
What? Like you didn't think it was a real game? It is.
I think the PC looks real.
What? No,
Right?
it doesn't.
It doesn't?
So there's a number of problems. One, it clearly looks like a 3D graphic.
Right.
Two, the power supply isn't plugged into almost anything.
Oh.
Okay, I think this is gonna be a cakewalk. Welcome to PC Building Simulator. To begin, go to your PC and open the email program on your desktop.
Go to a
You've
PC.
got mail. Wow, that
Wait, yeah, too bad. I
is
haven't
an
finished reading it.
old reference.
Oh, that's a long email. Don't write long emails.
This is so cheesy already.
So
The letter that reminding you to put thermal paste in is signed by Uncle Tim. Objectives, PC can boot to OS, remove viruses.
Oh,
Holy
cable.
crap, you have
Oh,
to
okay,
take
plug in the cable.
Every stupid screw.
How do I plug in the cable?
Okay, so you click and hold cables to plug them in.
Where? I couldn't even plug in the cable.
Okay.
Let's wait. I can't.
Okay, I'm installing my virus scanner. This is gonna be so easy, Dennis. You're terrible.
I couldn't even plug in the cable.
Okay, click and hold it.
Click and hold it.
No, just click.
Click.
And hold.
Oh, no.
Then, no, stop, don't drag. What do you?
Oh, click.
I said click and hold. Click on there and hold. Click and hold.
Oh.
Okay. Wow, I wish real virus scanners ran that fast.
To be honest, I don't even know how to remove a virus.
Wow. Email, get paid, collect. I made $100 for removing those viruses.
How?
Dang.
Why's my minus $15? How do I remove that virus?
I have already fixed that computer and I have left the office for the day.
Not surprised.
How do I remove the virus? Can you give me some hint?
Well, you don't remove viruses by working on the tower. Go look at the screen. No, why'd you pick up the computer? Plug it back in.
Okay. Oh God, I have to do that again?
What are you even doing? Oh, new graphics card.
I can plug in the cables.
He wants a 970 Sheen. Sheen Gamer, Sheen. I'm getting the cheaper one. I'm gonna make more money on this job, yo.
There's no virus. Remove program, there's no remove viruses.
You didn't put in your USB.
Oh, I need to have a USB?
Yeah, how are you gonna install your antivirus program?
Oh, okay. USB drive, sale. I am not making any progress, Linus. I'm trying to remove the virus. Get a new PC. Who's this guy?
Go to that thing, yep, sure.
I want to cry. Linus, did you buy a USB? Oh, what did
No,
you
you
get
already
that?
have it.
Where?
In your thing. Well, you gotta put the computer on the table. What are you doing?
This.
Did you pick up your work computer?
Oh, that's a work computer?
Yeah, it's off now. Now you gotta like crawl under the desk and plug it back in, I bet, with how this game goes.
No, hold on.
Dad!
Stop.
So Dennis, I don't want to put any pressure on you, but I have already finished my second job and I have
Please.
the parts I need ordered for my third one.
I have minus $15.
Right there.
Yeah.
Sell.
No, don't sell it. Why would you sell it? Well, no, you're not. Okay, left click to work on the computer.
Right click.
No, left click. No, you just
Oh,
said left
I have to do that again. Oh, this is the third time I have to do this. I think this is harder than building a real computer. Start scanning.
I really need another workbench.
I
Okay,
guess it's
my
done.
second day is done. I just got a graphics card.
Oh, okay. I got this one. End day. Go to work. I need a break.
What? I just got paid 525 bucks, baby. Yeah.
I'm still broke.
How much money have you made so far?
$100. I need some more space to back up my files. Could you install a 500 gigabyte HDD? Cousin will take a day to arrive, so the current day by going to the...
Wow, this Audrey 1945 at Toastmail, this is like a great job. All I gotta do is put literally, they even said I can pick the cheapest air cooler.
All of my stuff, all the parts I need is in transit. What do I do now? Slack.
Dennis, you are getting your ass kicked so hard right now. I am blowing out this dust like a
250?
boss. I have $515, Dennis.
I have $5.
I'm gonna collect that Audrey 1945 money right now.
Oh, I had to remove virus again. Okay.
Boom, 785 bucks.
553 files infected. Oh, cool.
Huh? Yeah.
Why are you making those sound effects?
There.
Why are you still making them?
Oh, I'm still blowing.
What is that?
Oh, surprise box. Maybe
It's something you ordered.
No, that's a box from a fan.
You
Open it.
You can
Open it
reject.
tomorrow.
Oh my god.
I want to
hate
go
you.
home. End date.
Is this how you handle your work here?
Dennis, you're still not opening it.
I want to finish this first.
You don't know what's in
Oh
it.
yeah. That will arrive. Oh, graphics card's here.
And the hard drive.
Oh god. Okay, now I can do this.
You have to upgrade the RAM.
60 GP.
Hey Dennis, how much RAM does it already have?
I don't know.
Then you should find out. No, Dennis, what if he already has
He doesn't.
8 gigs? What are you talking about?
Oh,
It's
I can.
stupid.
They add up. Oh, they do that. 14 minus 2 is 12.
He has
2.
2, yeah?
So I need another 12 GB. Gigabyte.
What does that get you?
14.
What are you trying to get?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I need 14! I need 14! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I just got over $1,000. Do you understand the game? Like, are you ready to do a build off?
He's doing basic math right now.
Can you just distract me again? I'm gonna get him 3 RAMs and he will have 16 GB in total. I ordered 3 RAMs. They charged me and it didn't say it's already in transit. It's not a scam, right?
All right. Do you want to do a build off?
Oh, this is not the game? This is just a warm up?
Oh yeah, this is the game.
Okay.
Well, yeah, but you lost this game, so we're gonna try another game.
How about this client? I quit.
You just quit your job just like that? Okay, so Dennis and I are doing our free build challenge now to see who can build the best rig the fastest.
Wait, none of there's no PC here that works. They're all just computer cases.
Check your...
Oh, here. On the shelf.
No, the closet over there. Yep, there you go.
Oh,
Wow, so I can just put in like the best stuff whatever I want?
oh god.
Oh, Hyper Beast.
No, I don't want that.
I hate you.
Ah, okay, fine.
I'm putting $1,000 power supply in my system.
This
Yeah, go pick it up.
dragon thing?
Yeah.
We're going X399.
I want-
X399,
Okay, no.
baby.
What do you have to do first? You have to put motherboard.
Motherboard.
I know. Motherboard is cool.
Oh, inaccurate. This motherboard does not have a screw hole here. This hasn't been used since like Intel branded boards. This system is gonna break immediately because it'll short out the back of the board because I have an extra standoff in it.
Yeah, you only need like 4
Super
screws.
disappointing.
I'm
Okay,
not
Threadripper
Linus.
1950X. Boom!
What
Dennis,
motherboard is
Dennis,
that?
I'm putting on thermal paste already.
That's a Gigabyte GA.
Okay, what processor can you put in there?
I don't know. Oh,
Man, there's so many memory clips.
Ryzen.
Oh, tedious.
they all look the same.
Go.
I don't
Okay,
even need
I need
that.
what's that called? Paste. Need
What?
pa-
No, you need to put the processor in there first. You don't have a processor in there.
You need a paste to put a processor, right?
Wait, I'm right. I'm not joking. You have to open and put the paste and put the CPU. What's wrong with that? Okay, fine. I'll pick one. I'll get Ryzen 5 quad-core 1400. I don't know if that's cool, but that sounds cool.
Meanwhile, I just put 128 gigs of RAM into my system.
I know what you meant. Okay, yeah, I do. I thought the pace is before the CPU. Okay, that's wrong. Oh my god, that was so stupid.
See that? Oh, that's right, baby.
Don't drop it. That's enough? It's like a
Yeah, okay,
size
that's
of
fine.
a
Yeah,
rice.
yeah.
Okay, I want maybe, what color should I go? Purple. I don't like purple though.
Oh man, this is actually, okay, you have to
Okay.
like take off the back panel
I know. What's next? You do that, you do that, and...
RAM.
Oh, I know. Don't tell me. I know. It doesn't fit. That's a wrong hole. RAMs are the short-term memory of the PCs. Okay.
and you don't need any paste in the memory slot before you put it in.
I know.
Do you? Do you know?
The holes don't fit. I mean, it doesn't let me put it in. Oh god. It doesn't let me put it in.
You can actually connect like your fan hub.
Oh my god.
Wow, so my cabling can actually be neat too.
Yeah.
So I can connect my fan hub to the board,
Open a clip.
and then I
Okay,
can
that's-
connect all my fans to the hub. Nice.
That's so detailed. I actually have to open the clip thing. The next one, shh, I know. Next one is GPU. No, you always say GPU last, right?
Wow, maybe he did pick something up in the last 3 years.
Right. I'll do some hard drive.
Why a hard drive? Why not
'Cause-
an SSD?
Ah, yeah, SSD. Don't change my mind. There's no SSD anyways. Oh, this. Oh my god, I'm pointing at it. Okay, I got it. Power supply.
Didn't have enough SATA ports on this board for all my drives, although, funnily enough, if I zoom in on the board, it looks like it does have enough, it just doesn't know that. So I was right, game was wrong. Just want to make sure that the record's straight here.
I feel that too.
You feel that too? What are you even talking about?
Okay, I'm gonna get a graphics card. 1080. 1080 is cool, maybe.
1080s for hosers. Board, boom! On the motherboard, boom! Done! Look at those look at those light up fans, baby! Dennis, you lost the game, man.
Wait, before, can you look at my setup?
Well, you're short a RAM stick, for one thing.
Why?
You've only got 3.
I have 3.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Why is that wrong? I only need 3.
For what?
What do you mean? I just want 3. Okay, I have more? Do I need more?
Well,
There's only 3 slots.
I guarantee you there's another slot.
Oh! Yeah, it's hiding. I saw it. It's there.
So, in a nutshell, you know what? Actually, a lot cooler than I thought it would be. You're not actually gonna learn how to be a PC tech, and you're not gonna be able to jump right from PC Building Simulator into building your own computer. There are some fairly significant oversights. As a way to kind of fool around and get comfortable with the idea of digging a little deeper, watching maybe one of our videos on how to build a PC, honestly, it's not the worst 20 bucks you could possibly spend. So, overall recommended. If you've ever needed a quick video clip for B-roll, an After Effects template, or a motion background, Video Blocks is the answer. We use Video Blocks here when we're creating videos for both Linus Tech Tips and Tech Quickie. You can get studio quality stock video clips for a fraction of the cost with Video Blocks. Download all the stock video your heart desires from their member library, including HD footage, After Effects templates, motion backgrounds, and more. Plus, you can get exclusive discounts on millions of additional marketplace clips, where you save 40% and the original artists take home 100% of the sale price. All content is royalty-free, so you can use it for commercial and personal projects, and new clips are added regularly, so there's always something fresh to download. So head to the link in the video description and instantly save 50 bucks off an annual subscription to Video Blocks. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you disliked this video, you can hit that dislike button. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, maybe consider checking out where to buy the stuff we featured at the link in the video description. Also down there is our merch store, which has cool shirts like this one, and our community forum, which you should totally join. And Dennis should join, so that he can learn a thing or two about how to build a computer.
I know how to build in real life. I know how to do it.